More air conditioners. Got two big package units. I believe are Tranes or American Standard. But not as new. Goodman, and I believe that's another Goodman. Or it could be an early Bryant, but most likely a Goodman. I think that's a... There's a train down there. Carrier Tech 2000. Yeah, I'm in a parking garage. Yeah, that's a Bryant. It's one of those Bryants that looks like a Goodman. Sorry, didn't mean to bump the camera. But we got a bunch of stuff over here. We got nothing else. We got a York. You can kind of see it. Got a window unit, a couple of Gibsons, Nordynes, a Carrier, another package unit. I believe it's a, I don't know what it is. Yeah, a bunch of package units. Got a Carrier Comfort Series. I don't know what brand of package unit. Another condensing unit next to it. And that's pretty much it. And then there's a side discharge unit over there along with, I believe, a York or something. Let's see what we got on this side. Then I'll show you the ArcoAir package unit on the... And here's a better view of what I'm trying to show you. Over here. Yeah. Parking lot is pretty much dead at this time of day or morning. It's like 6 something in the morning. It's okay. Another air conditioner. ArcoAir package unit. Some package units right there. Resnor heater thing. Big Marley chiller thing. 2, I believe, chillers. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed. Out.